So today I want to talk about the Australian healthcare system. Now, there is one thing that I pride Australia for, and that is that they have one of the best healthcare systems in the world. Listen attentively because this information is crucial. So, because some of you have been asking, oh, how's the healthcare system like? In the UK, it's like this, in the US, it's like this, and all of that. Now, I'm not saying those places are not good, but Australia ranks third when it comes to healthcare system ranking in the world. Check it out now. Like out of all the countries in the whole world, Australia ranks number three. Three. So what makes this thing special? Because Australia have an incredible healthcare system. Now, I just went to one hospital today. Just check it out. Just take a look at the hospital. It's just like a bit of just a suburb having that kind of you know what is a suburb? Having that kind of massive hospital. It's like just saying maybe a particular maybe street or zone have that kind of hospital maybe in somewhere in Africa. Not even just check it out. So after that, the next thing I want you to also know is that now when it comes to Australia, there's what to call Medicare, and this Medicare comes with a lot of benefits. And so these benefits include, like when you're sick, you can just use your Medicare and get into the hospital and you're being treated for what you are asking for. Like you're treated, you're handled properly, and the government takes care of you properly through that Medicare system. So the things are subsidized. It also has pharmaceutical benefit, which means that if you want to buy drugs, for instance, they are subsidized. Sometimes if you don't even have to pay out of the pocket, because the system here is lovely. Australia appreciates health more than anything else. So you need to understand that this is a beautiful thing for the country that you are thinking of visiting or coming to live in. Now, let me bring it down. If you're on a student visa, you're coming here via student visa, what do you have to do? Now, if you're coming on a student visa, when you're paying your tuition fee, you're going to be paying what to call insurance, health insurance fee. Now, that overseas health insurance fee is to cover you for the duration of where you're here. But the truth is that money you're paying cannot be equated with the benefit you get when you come here. So, because it will cover for a lot of things. Now, if you're coming through skilled visa, in skilled visa is a different ballgame because you are privileged, because the moment you get that permanent resident or visa 491, all right, one of the things that you get with it is what we call Medicare. So that Medicare covers almost all your health concerns. The only thing it does not cover that you have to pay out of the pocket is something like concerning with the eyes and concerning with what the teeth, dental stuffs, and the government are still working on it. And I can tell you, in the years to come, it will be covered. So what I would just think about is the third, like the most important. Now, when it comes to life expectancy, because some of you, I know you are scared and all of that, but I want to tell you, in this country, it's amazing that the life expectancy of Australians has actually moved from 85 years old to 90 years old. So which means people are expected to live to the age of 90. So that is why even sometimes you go to work and some places they have what to call old, like aging population work system. So even people that are old, instead of going on retirement, sometimes they go on retirement, but they still want to work. They still want to they're still healthy because the country provides that affordable environment that keeps people alive. What are you still waiting for? In our last voice, I like stop playing or stop playing. So if you have the necessary things that you need to start preparing for your visa, begin to take action now. Remember, this thing it's not just about you, it's about you and your future generation. It will change the landscape of your destiny. So now the next thing I want to say is, before I go today, make sure that you take note of the things I've shared with you. Not all skilled visas, I repeat, not all skilled visas cover Medicare. All right, there are some visas that does not come with Medicare, but for student visa does not come with Medicare. Student visa, you have to pay insurance. There are some visas that you also have to pay insurance, even if it's not student visa. So, but the ones I'm talking about are like skilled visa, like visa 491, visa 186, visa 190. All those ones are permanent resident and skilled provisional skilled visas. Those ones come with Medicare, so that you won't be asking questions. All right. So that is how it works. So guys, what are you waiting for? Make sure you share this video, like this video, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel.